guys, for glowing skin. So as the weather is going from winter into spring and summer, a big part of summer is glowing skin, so these masks will help you do them. And together, they're a power trio that will help you brighten, calm, and soften your skin. But even if you want to use them separately, you can totally do that. That's great too. And in terms of frequency, I would recommend using them about once or twice a week, but you guys can use them more or less depending on what your skin needs. And a slight disclaimer is that for my last DIY face mask video that I did a while back, which I will link right here, I got a lot of comments saying that it was burning your skin or that it was causing you guys to rash, and of course these weren't all of you. It worked perfectly fine for me and a lot of the rest of you. But for those of you that it didn't work out so well, I just want to let you guys know that if your skin is super sensitive, especially to a certain ingredient like cinnamon or honey, or you know that you just don't react very well to something, or if you don't know that, make sure that you try these masks on a small portion of your skin for about 5 or 6 minutes just to see and make sure that it doesn't react badly, because from my knowledge, these three are super versatile. Everyone that I've told them to has used it for their sensitive skin and it's been totally fine. So hopefully nothing will happen, but I just want to let you guys know that if you do have skin that tends to break out or be super sensitive to some ingredients, make sure to use a little bit of caution before you use face masks because they don't work for everyone. So I just want to let you guys know. But for the rest of you, hopefully these will work super well because they've helped my skin so much, and they're super easy to make. They only need about 3 ingredients each one, and chances are you probably have them at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video.
Alright, so the first mask is going to help soften your skin. So for this mask, we're going to need 1 slice of fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, brown sugar is great because it acts as an exfoliant and it helps gently scrub all your dead skin away. And if you don't have it, you can use just normal white granulated sugar, but brown sugar is definitely better at it. So if you do have it, use that. Now for the honey, raw honey is better than any other ones, but if you don't have it, you can use regular honey too. And what's really good about honey is that it has lots of antioxidants and vitamins that really help rejuvenate your skin. And then fresh lemon is going to help brighten your skin because it has a lot of vitamin C and citric acid, and that's really going to help with brightening. So this mask, along with the other 2, are super easy to make. You basically just take your ingredients and plop them together. So here I took my brown sugar and then I added my honey. And then finally, I added a couple of drops of lemon, around 3 to 5, let's say, but it's really up to you. You can add more, you can add less, it's whatever you like. And then basically what you're gonna do is just take your spoon and mix it all together, just really well until it basically resembles the texture of just honey. So then once your mask is all ready to go, you're going to put your hair up in a bun, just like I did to get out of my way. And then my face, I make sure to take off any makeup and just rinse it with water. So for this mask, since it does have an exfoliant in it and you want to exfoliate your skin, I'm kind of rubbing it in as I apply it, and then I'm going to leave it on my face for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. So the second mask is going to help calm your skin, and for this mask you're going to need some fresh cucumber, half a cup of plain yogurt, and a couple of drops of tea tree oil. So cucumber is great because it really helps soothe your skin. And if you've seen people, they put it on their eyes to help reduce puffiness, and it's basically the same idea for your skin too. Now for your yogurt, you want to make sure that it's plain yogurt and not fruit flavored or vanilla flavored. And yogurt is great because it has tons of vitamins like B2 and B12 that help heal rough skin, and also has lactic acid that really hydrates your skin as well. And the last ingredient for this is tea tree oil. Now I got mine from the Body Shop, but if you don't have tea tree oil, you can also use aloe vera gel, and it basically does the same thing. So tea tree oil is great because it really helps calm your skin, and it's also really great for any blemishes or acne that you may have as well. So you're just going to start off by chopping up your cucumber into small pieces, and after I did this I realized that it's actually better if you just use a blender or food processor to make it into kind of like a little mush, but I didn't have that, so I just chopped it up into small pieces. And then basically just like the last mask, I took all my ingredients and mixed them together. So here I'm taking my yogurt, and then I added my cucumber to it, and then finally a couple of drops of tea tree oil. So just like the mask before, you're going to make sure that your face is clear of any makeup and just kind of rinse it off, and then you're just going to apply the mask as you would normally. You don't really need to scrub it in because there's nothing exfoliating in this, but it really does help soothe your skin. You may look like a ghost, but you know, it works. And so once you look like that, you're going to put it on your skin again for 10 to 15 minutes. So for the last mask, it's going to help brighten your skin, and you're going to need half a tablespoon of honey, 1 egg white, and half a tablespoon of fresh lemon. So egg whites are great because the collagen and proteins in them actually help shrink your pores and tighten your skin. So once again, honey is great because of the antioxidants and vitamins in it, and then fresh lemon is also great for brightening because of the agents inside of it. So you're just going to start by taking your yolk, cracking it open, and then separating the egg yolk from the egg white because we need to use the egg white for this. And then you're just going to add a couple of drops of lemon, again to your discretion, and then top it off with the half tablespoon of honey. So then you're just going to mix it together with a fork until it looks something like this, and then you're going to apply it using a cotton ball or a cotton pad, basically just something because it's very watery, and then you're going to leave this one on your skin for around 30 minutes and then just rinse it off.
Alright guys, so that was it for the 3 face masks that are going to help get you nice and glowing skin. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like and comment below, tell me which one was your favorite and whether you tried them all. And also tell me other video ideas that you guys want to see. So I will talk to you guys later.